Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Today we are going to give you a pump failure analysis manual bird eye view. How to read the clues in hydraulic vane and piston pump to learn what really caused them to fail. This is a very beautiful manual you should have. In this manual, the content of this manual are given here. Vane pump failure, square pump body, square pump pressure plate, intra-vane pump support plate, vane pump vanes, vane pump cam-ring, vane pump rotor, VQ pumps flex plates, piston pump failure, cylinder block, valve plate, piston shoe, sub-assembly, swash plate, shoe plate, yoke, shaft failure, troubleshooting chart, suggested repairs, QA service centers locations. And then it gives real causes of hydraulic pump failure, aeration, cavitation, contamination, excessive heat, implosion, overpressurization, viscosity. And then we have vane pump failures, square pump body, surface scoring, resurfacing requirements. Then we have square pump pressure plate, signs of pump aeration. Then we have severe aeration damage. These are the pressure plates. Then we have intravane pump support plate, inlet support plate damaged by aeration. And then we have no significant damage. These are the pressure plates of the vane pump. Then we have vane pump vanes, vane frosting. Compare the appearance of new vane with the frosted look of a vane that's been subjected to fluid contamination. The cartridge this vane should be replaced. These are the vanes of the vane pump. The vane on the left is new and the one in the middle is worn down somewhat from fluid contamination. The extreme wear seen on the vane to the right was caused by aeration. Similar damage can be also caused by fluid in poor or marginal condition. The associated cartridge should be replaced. Okay. Now this one is gall vane. This type of galling damage is symptomatic of overpressure or over temperature. This indicates cartridge damage beyond repair. These are the vanes. Vane pump cam ring, ripple marks on the vane pump ring. And this one is heat check surfaces, overheating of the oil, seizure damage. This the ring, the pump has been seized. Comparison of two failed cam rings. These are two failed cam rings. You can compare. Vane pump rotor. Rotor surface can be badly scored by contamination or seizure. Vane slots can also get worn and scored by fluid. Rotor smear. Okay. Now this one is typical seizure damage. Rotor seizure damage. These are the VQ series flex plates. Normal discoloration. Severe aeration damage. This one is reworkable flex plates. Darkening and erosion of flex plates. Piston pump failure, cylinder block, top service scoring, valve plate aeration damage, surface scoring, these are the piston pumps, large particle damage, piston shoe sub-assembly, rolling, ruined pistons, comparison for reuse, swash plate, evidence of shoe lift, severe swash plate damage, shoe plate, more lifting damage of the shoe plate. Torsional fatigue. This shaft failure was caused by torsional fatigue. This fatigue is caused by the forces generated during normal operation when these forces are repeated thousands or even millions of times with varying stress levels and loaded cycle. Eventually, the shaft can be simply wear out. Torsional fatigue fractures can take a variety of shapes depending on the shaft geometry and loading direction. Torsion that is always in the same direction usually causes one long spiral fracture at about 45 degrees angle to the shaft axis as shown. This is a piston shaft breakage. Okay, now this we have given you the bird eye view of the pump failure analysis manual, and this is a beautiful manual to have for the hydraulic students. This video is a tribute to Mr. Harry Vickers. 100 years ago he founded Vickers and designed vane pumps. So in his we request our WhatsApp number is 00923124225402. Our email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com, sunnyadnan@gmail.com. 24/7 365 days free helpline for hydraulic problems. Sales service repair of Vickers and Eaton hydraulics in Pakistan. Thank you for watching this bird eye view of pump failure analysis manual. Feel free to contact us 24/7 365 days. Love hydraulics. Thank you, Mr. Harry Vickers, for giving humanity a chance to quality life. Bye bye.